Tough times don't last, but tough people do. No one ever stubbed their toe because they were standing still. Some days you're the pigeon, some days you're the statue. I have made a decision to sell AirRite. I found new leadership for AirRite and the dreams of its team members. The decision has been made to sell to Crawford Services, who will become the flag bearer to carry AirRite forward.
We're going to keep the AirRite name.
Absolutely.
You're going to be AirRite. Your uniform doesn't change, the logo on the building doesn't change, your business card doesn't change. You are AirRite. We are AirRite. Every one of you will have our personal cell phone numbers.
Absolutely.
And every one of you can call us. We are very approachable, and you'll just have to kind of figure that out over time.